Welcome to the Learning Tube. Dear viewers, today we will start the rest part of this chapter, that is the chemical reaction and equation. In this video, the viewers can learn the balancing chemical equation and memorizing the different type of reaction without making any mistakes. So, to know more about this channel, please share, like and subscribe this channel to get more video updates. And those who have not subscribed yet, so please subscribe it to get more useful videos. So let's start the chapter explanation. This is part 2 video of chemical reaction and equation, and those who have missed part 1, just see the description box. I have given link over there. So today we will learn what is balanced chemical equation. A chemical reaction in which the number of atoms of each element is equal on both sides, that is the reactant side and the product side, is called balanced chemical equation. For an example, N2 plus 3H2 forms 2NH3. So you can see that both sides is balanced, that is the reactant side and the product side. You can see that the reactant side containing 3H2 whereas the product side containing 2NH3. So this is the balanced chemical equation. Next you will get to learn how to balance a chemical equation using trial and error method. I have given one example, N2 that is nitrogen plus H2 that is hydrogen. So N2 is the number of atoms, that is 2, and in H2 number of atom is 2. So it is the reactant side, and the product side you can see N is 1, number of atom is 1, and H is number of atom is 3. So in the product side and the reactant side both are unbalanced. So this is called an unbalanced chemical equation. Next you will get to learn how to balance a chemical equation. Now we will learn how to balance an unbalanced chemical equation. First draw a box and write element, reactant and product in the box. Then write down the name of an element that you have taken, that is N and H. And write down the number of atoms present in the reactant side of an element, that is 2 and H. 2 in nitrogen, 2 in hydrogen. So we have written the number of atoms present in the reactant side. Next come to the product side. See the number of reactant in the product side in case of nitrogen is only 1. And the number of atom in case of hydrogen is 3. So both the side is unbalanced. Now just look at the number of atom present in the reactant side of nitrogen is 2, whereas the number of atom present in the product side of nitrogen is 1. So both are unbalanced. So we have to balance it with the help of multiplying with 2, that is 1 into 2 equals to 2. Now write down that 2 in the product side of nitrogen. Next you can see that 2 atom of nitrogen into 2 atom of hydrogen, that becomes 6. 2 into 3 equals to 6. So in the product side of hydrogen we have to multiply it with the help of 2, that is 3 into 2 equals to 6. So it becomes 6. Now the reactant side become unbalanced. So we have to balance that reactant side using 2 into 3 equals to 6. See, the both side is balanced. Just look at the reactant side as well as the product side. Both are having equal number of atoms. The number of atom in nitrogen is 2 plus number of atom in case of hydrogen is 6. 3 into 2 equals to 6. That forms a product of ammonia forming 2 atom of nitrogen plus 6 atom of hydrogen. So we have to balance the equation in this way. Draw a box, write down the element, reactant, product, name the element and number of atom present in the reactant part as well as the product part. See whether it is balanced or not, then balance using multiplication. So viewers, this is the part 2 video of chemical reaction and equation. Next video we will going to learn the different type of chemical reaction, which we will going to upload it very soon. So please stay tuned, like, share and subscribe Learning Tube. And those who have missed the part 1 of this video, just follow the description box. I have given link in the description box. Thank you.